Hey, this is Cooking with Jeannie. Let's make some spicy buffalo lemon pepper chicken wings. Seasonings are Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, lemon pepper, cayenne pepper, and Frank's Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce. We are using 4 pounds of chicken wings, and now let's add in our Worcestershire sauce and give it one big mix. Add in your lemon pepper. Add in your garlic powder. Add in your cayenne pepper. And now let's grill them. Our chicken wings are now done. Let's sauce them. Add in your buffalo sauce and add in a few wings at a time and give them a good mix. And now you have some delicious finger-licking chicken wings. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and share this video.